Hi, I'm Jackie.
And I'm Richard. We're Early Retirement Wanderlust.
And we're in Scotland. Spent at home sorting out bits and bobs, mainly our house that we're wanting to buy. We set off last night at 5 o'clock and we've woken up in the most beautiful place.
We're at Kilchurn Castle, so we had a really good drive up last night, Sunday night. So when we would normally be planning work and planning our lessons and things like that, we were driving north. It was about 5-6 hours, something like that, but on really clear roads. We arrived here in the dark and woke up to a beautiful place.
Yeah, and even better, we went for a walk this morning to take some sunrise photos, and there were Highland cows in front of the castle.
So plans for the day, we've got a 12 o'clock ferry from Oban. We're only about 20 minutes from Oban, so we're going to go and have a pootle around Oban, see what's what, catch the ferry, and then we're over to Mull for a week of excitement.
Yep, catch you later.
pulled up to a place called Calgary Bay on the west coast of Mull, and we found a wild camping spot which is sponsored by the local community, and it is unbelievable. We're about 50 yards from the beach, the sun's cracking the flags, hopefully the storm will stay away, but just look at this view. Morning. It's a bright blue sky morning, but it's absolutely freezing. And Jackie's madcap plan is to
go swimming. You can't come to the seaside without going for a swim.
So we're gonna go for a swim, and then we got the outdoor shower fired up, ready for a good old hot shower afterwards. So we'll let you know how it goes in a minute. So I'm sure it looks balmy. We've got Jackie to thank for this. And we're in that like post cold swim heat rash now. My zip of my jacket won't zip up, so I'm frozen. So I'm